Oh yeah. I don't know about this. Couldn't find my old one, so I had to buy a new one. Can't believe it. Look at that. That was easy. Champion, baby. Leaks, I'll just have to replace it again. Up in the air, that is. Alright. Alright. Alright then. Alright. Got the transmission seal in. Now I need a torque converter in there. Oh yeah. All right, let's see if we can't get this Hughes 4325 converter in there. All right then. Here, you come with me, good buddy. Don't worry about having a heavy converter. They're all heavy. Fake it. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, let's do a dry fit. Oh yeah, perfect. All right. Alright, let's see if we can't put some fluid in it. It takes a while for it to go in. You see it bubbling. You see that bubble? There you go. Just go on in there now. That's how I do it. I figured it'd take a lot more, the whole thing, but apparently not. Alright then, let's see if we can get this on here and without spilling it all over myself. There we go. There we go. Didn't spill a drop. It's on there, baby. All right, that concludes the torque converter. Now I just got to drop this engine in here. There we go. We got her in there. She's just awaiting now. waiting on that engine. All we gotta do is put the engine in there. I got that engine sitting right there. That'll conclude it for the transmission seal. Filling up the torque converter, stuffing it in there. I got the motor mounts already bolted to the motor. We just got to flip the motor around, drop it in there. That'll be another video. Appreciate y'all watching. Go subscribe if you haven't already, and appreciate you watching. Bye now.